Here in Central Blarney, 4.5 years ago, we were offered a trial of a Miltech baler for 2 weeks. Within a few days, we were convinced that this was the ideal baler for our business, and ever since we've been using it successfully. The machine has worked out very economical, and the amount it has saved on the refuse charges by reducing the volume to very compact loads, the machine has repaid its investment very quickly. One very important point with the Miltech baler is the service and the backup and spares. Since we've had the machine, we have never had to wait more than 24 hours for any part or service, and overall it has been really excellent throughout the 4.5 years we have the machine.
This machine was purchased because it's a compact machine, it's safe to use, and it took up very little space in a confined store. We don't need to tear the boxes up, it'll crush the boxes of its own accord. We are making approximately 10 bales of paper a week. Bales are compact for removal later on by waste disposal, and it helps to keep the store clean as we have a confined space.